I'm Alli Drew. Welcome to my channel. And summer is right around the corner. I love summer. And let's get our arms nice and tanned looking for the summer by using some self-tanning products. I'm going to experiment with 3 self-tanning products. These 3 are very popular on Amazon. The first one is this Tan Physics. This is a popular and a little bit more expensive product. The second one is this good old-fashioned Jergens product. This is popular because it is so inexpensive. And the third product is this self-tanner by Clarins. Let's experiment with these 3 products. Okay, so you want to prep the canvas, which is your arms, the night before. And the way you do that is you want to loofah your arms the night before, a light loofah, and then apply a moisturizer. I like Cetaphil, or you can loofah your arms and also apply a glycolic lotion. I love Glytone. This is one of my favorite glycolic lotions. It's a little pricey, but you just need a little bit and your arms will receive the self-tanning lotions better. So make sure you do that process the night before. Okay, so before we apply the self-tanner, I'm going to put a little bit of moisturizer on my elbows. And if you're going to put some self-tanner on your legs, you also want to apply a little bit of moisturizer on your knees as well. And when you get to those areas with the self-tanner, you kind of want to fan those areas so it doesn't get all sort of cakey and weird looking on your elbows or on your knees. So just a little bit of moisturizer on your elbows and on your knees. So I'm going to start off with my Jergens lotion, and I'm going to use a tanning mitt that I got on Amazon. And here I go. I'm gonna rub it in on my tanning mitt. And here I go. And I'm just kind of fan it out in my elbow area like so, and rub it on my arm. Trying to get it on there smooth and trying to get it everywhere. And that's it for my left arm with the Jergens. On my other arm, I'm going to use Tan Physics, and this one is much darker. Look at that. I'm going to use it on my lower arm because it's so dark. And here I go, applying this. It's already darker. Again, I'm going to fan it away from my elbow. I think I'll use just a little bit more. And that's it. So that's the second lotion. And the final lotion is the Clarins lotion. So we're going to try this one. And I'm going to put this on my upper arm on this side. So here we go. I'm applying it as evenly as possible. And this will be the final lotion I'm going to apply today. And then we'll check back in 2 days and see which lotion made the most difference. And that's it. A few things to know about self-tanners is you should wait about 10 minutes for them to dry before you put clothes on, because you don't want it to get on your clothes. So wait about 10 minutes. If you don't have 10 minutes, you can also use your blow dryer. Put it on a low setting, put it on a cool setting, and just blow dry your arms and legs. Or I guess you could use it on your face as well. You can also swim after you put a self-tanner on, but you need to wait about 6 hours. So I will see you in 2 days, and we'll see how these products did. Okay, I'm back, and it's actually 4 days later. Full disclosure, I reapplied all the lotions because I felt like it wasn't enough product on my arms. And so when you do reapply these lotions, because you want a darker tan, you have to do the process all over again. You have to exfoliate again. And I know it seems counterintuitive to exfoliate when you have a little bit of tan on your body, but those are the instructions. So you re-exfoliate and you reapply. Okay, so I am going to compare the skin on my arm to the skin on my chest, so you can see how the tanner did. So this is the tan physics here. And as you can see, it's a nice kind of bronzy tan as compared to the skin on my chest. And this is the Clarins. And I think both colors are pretty nice. And they're actually pretty even. Both colors are pretty similar, and they're both similar in price as well. So I would use either one of these products. I think they both did pretty well. So let's take a look at the Jergens arm. And you know what? Not bad for a very reasonably priced tanning product. I think if you're going to use the Jergens product, you're going to have to reapply the product more often, but not bad for the Jergens product. I would give Clarins the #1 spot, and I would give the Tan Physics the #1 spot. And I misspoke. Tan Physics and Clarins are about the same price. In fact, Tan Physics is actually a few dollars cheaper than the Clarins product. And then I would give Jergens the #2 spot or the #3 spot. Remember, being kind makes us the most beautiful. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.